Everybody, welcome to this JavaScript tutorial for beginners. Now, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is just a programming language that's so popular right now, in the top actually, besides Python, C Sharp, and Java. And now you may ask, what is JavaScript even used for? Well, JavaScript is mainly used to process data, add interactivity to web pages, and create applications, which can be mobile, desktop, games, and even more than that. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be creating our first JavaScript file, linking it to our web page, and checking if everything works. That's it. Let's get started. So, the first thing we're going to do is adding JavaScript to our web page, which is very simple. Now, to add JavaScript, we just need to go to the body tag and type in script, and that's actually it. We can even try if this works. We can type console.log. It worked. And whoops, save, go to our web page, and if we press F12, we can see that the message popped and it says it worked. Sweet. That was actually it. And next up, we're going to create an external JavaScript file. So instead of typing in our JavaScript code between this script elements, we're going to create an external file, which we're going to call script.js. And this is the place where we're going to write all of our JavaScript. And let's delete this. And if we type here console.log, it worked, you can see that actually nothing shows up because we haven't linked this HTML file with our script file. Now, how are we going to do that? This is very simple as well, actually. After the script tag here, we just need to type search like that and type in the name of our file, script.js. There you go. Hit Ctrl Save, and let's see, it worked. So now this index.html and our script.js are linked together and are working alongside each other. Now, as you can see, we use this console.log function. What it does is just print things to our console, which is this thing that appears if you press F12. That's it. We can also comment this by typing in // and this will become grayed out. This means that you can still read it as a human, but the script itself will just ignore it. And if we go back to our console, we see that nothing appeared because we commented it out. Great. So now to summarize what we've learned in this tutorial is how to create our JavaScript file, how to link our HTML and our script file here, how to console.log things in the console, and comments, how to comment things out. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.